Residents of Mega Manila and the nearby provinces of Rizal, Bulacan, and parts of Laguna and Quezon Province, under the franchise and the nation's largest power distributor, can breathe a sigh of relief over their bill statements for this month. Meralco is slashing its power rates considerably this month. As we hear more of the numbers and the savings in electricity bills one can get in this report from our Clazel Pardilia.
For months, Yoli has been struggling with sky-high electricity bills. That is why she's doing everything she can to save up on her power use in her store, like unplugging her refrigerator and not using the electric kettle.
Pag lumaki po ang bill, po sa budget hirap. Kaya ko po nilalagay sa cooler kasi dinadala ko dito sa labas kahit papaano hindi siya bukas ng bukas sa ref. Kasi pag bukas ka ng bukas sa ref, isa rin po yung nagkukos ng malaking nagkuryente. Pag naginit ako ng tubig naman, sa thermos ko nilalagay para hindi ka init ng init sa heater.
After 3 straight months of power rate hikes, Meralco will finally provide relief this May with a rate cut. 75 centavos will be deducted per kilowatt hour from over 13 pesos per kilowatt hour. Rates will drop to 12 pesos and 26 centavos. Households using between 200 to 500 kilowatt hours can expect savings up to 150 to 375 pesos. Meralco explains power plants that were previously under maintenance are now operational again. Supply to the Luzon grid has also improved, pushing spot market prices down. The stronger peso against dollar is also another factor.
Ang bawas singil ay dahil sa mas mababang generation at transmission charges na makikita nating medyo may kalakihan ho yung pagbaba. Bumaba po yung halaga ng generation charge dahil sa mas mababang singil mula sa WESM o Wholesale Electricity Spot Market na binanggit na din po ng IMAP bago po itong announcement namin.
Meanwhile, Meralco assures the public it remains on full alert to deliver stable power supply throughout the election season. Clazel Pardilia for the New and Better Philippines.